Monkey Island.
So we decided, guys, now we're not going to see other cars kasi we had a look and we got some ideas. So now we're going to proceed to find Georgie's park.
Tredegar Park.
Yes, she can play.
Because they're fixing it.
Continue on Southern Distributor Road for 1 mile.
But it comes all the way down and then you drive over it and then when a ship comes it lifts it all the way up again.
Oh, that's bridge pala.
Yeah.
It looks like crane, no?
Transport bridge.
Transporter bridge. Okay. Andito na tayo, guys.
I was going to run for a little distance because I thought maybe the door might hit my head.
Ah, okay. Ang ganda ng park dito. Ang laki. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang ganda. Ang daming palaruan. Busy ngayon kasi Sunday, family day. So, ganito lang sa UK, guys. More on park sila. So, hindi sila masyadong magastos, no? Kaya, simple life living in the UK talaga. Kaya, simple yung mga tao. Kasi dati, guys, hindi yan umaakit hanggang taas. Aba? Well done, you. Georgie, pose, love. Aba? Oh, you can stay there na? Dati natatakot yun umakit all the way. Ngayon, meron na siyang courage. Face your fear, girl. Zipline. Wow! That's really bouncy.
All the way back nearly. All the way back.
Probably, ah. Focus, girl.
I think it's not supposed to be.
No, it's supposed to be like that, so you know how to balance.
No, I don't want to do it.
Yeah, you don't want to do it? It's alright. If you're not sure, don't do it. That's what my motto. If you're unsure, don't do it. Wala, sige. Ba. That's right. That's right. Uy, wala. Takot talaga ako nito, guys. Kasi nga, maliit lang ako ba. Hindi ko siya masalo-salo. Where are you going? Are you go slide, Georgie? Oy, you wait for daddy. I cannot. You sure? You wait for daddy. You go that way first. Come on, you go that way first. 2. Oh, pisti. Ano pala to?
Do you know what I did?
What?
Listen to the tune, okay? Nine, 10.
So, tingnan nyo, guys, yan yung schedule. Ito yung habol namin para makapaglaro si Georgie ng water. So, ito yung schedule nila. Tingnan nyo, may ibang yan yung Wales language. Yan, Wales language and English. Kasi guys, yung Wales, yun, ibang country na yun. So, nasa kabilang country tayo kasi nasa England kami. Itong Wales, different country na siya. So, kaya tumawid kami ng bridge. So, yan ang gustong itry ni Georgie, guys. Tingnan nyo, super hangin. May araw, pero mahangin at super lamig yung hangin. So, ayan, nandyan na si Mr. Siya yung mag-assist kay Georgie. Kasi, bounce back. You can do that, Georgie. Yeah? Sige. Hold. Ha? Daddy will hold you. So mag-walking kami guys kasi meron din palang fun fair dito. Titingnan natin kung magkano yung entrance fee. So far hindi pa siya gaano ka-busy dahil siguro sa weather na super windy tapos malamig. May araw naman. Ayan si Daddy at si Georgie. So day out in Newport. Family day in Newport. So ayun yung fun fair guys, oh. Yan. So, tingnan natin. So, ano lang to, kadugtong lang ng park. So, doon yung park. What is it, Daddy? So, pansin nyo, oh. Iba yung salita talaga, no? Kasi ang Wales, may sarili silang lingwahe. Oh! Daddy just dropped the... I know, I saw it.
It's too big.
They got public gym equipment here, guys. Oh. £1 entry, guys, which is good. So that means you have to pay everything inside.
Today's the last day, Mama.
Oh, we're lucky then. Oh, last day pala to. So £1 entry. Wait lang. Wait lang. £1, 1 free token. How many tokens you got? Oh, we got free tokens. Ah. Okay.
You want to buy £10?
Yeah, favorite ano niya yan? Jump, higher girl.
Wow, get up. If you get 10, you get a medium. If you get 11, you get a big. And if you get 12, you get a giant one. But even if you don't get anything, you get a little one.
Okay.
Even if you lose. Oh, come on, in the front. On in the front. No, the small one.
Which color? Black, white? Mahilig sa stuffed toys. Mahilig sa stuffed toys. Asa ba yun? Asa na ba yun? Georgie! They've got one with the flowers.
She wants that one.
Ah, you want that one? Everything is gonna be a long, long time. The best Aray ko! Daddy! I wonder what you put in my shirt. So ito yung sauce nila. Hey, so what is this one?
I'm wondering.
Yeah, Daddy will try the darts because win or lose, at least you win a teddy. So that costs 5 darts for £6, 4 darts for £5. We'll see how good Daddy is. We'll see how good Daddy is in
It
darts.
doesn't matter how good you are. When you get a catch anyway.
That thing, and that's one.
You've got 5, bro. That's a koala bear. Koala bear, please. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Right, that's it. good. Mr. Bloody. Wow, what a. You should have just. You should have just given him £5 out your pocket.
Go. Oh! Wow, 2 more. Come on. Oh. One more. Please. Yay!
Unlucky, Georgie.
2 left. Oh.
2 left. Beat your mum, didn't you? But you beat mummy.
What?
Got a choice.
Ah.
We can either walk all the way round to the woods and then come all the way back, or we can walk back this way
Walk
to
out
the
this
car.
way to the car.
There's a river there. Don't you see the river? Good to see what is a stick red. Look, it's going down the waterfall.
Oh yeah. Way.
Yay!
Pabalik na kami sa ano guys, sa sasakyan. So change plan guys, instead na pabalik na kami ng sasakyan, on the way nakita ni Mr. na yung water sprinkle is open. So maglalaro si Georgie doon ng mga 15 to 20 minutes kasi yung binayaran naming car parking is 2 hours. So meron kaming 30 minutes left. So ayan, para makapaglaro si Georgie sa tubig. So, ayan, si Georgie nakasunod na siya. Tinatungan lang ng ano. So, ayan.
Is this good enough?
No, take off your trousers, no? So it won't get wet. Or you wanna keep your trousers on?
I want to keep my trousers. But you know I will get wet.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
You sure?
Sure. Oh my god!
Okay, go. Okay, go. Ayan na. Nandito kami sa loob ng changing room guys. Pinabihis mo lang si Georgie kasi ang lakas ng ulan. Nagtakbuhan yung lahat. Nakabihis na siya. We're back in our car guys and uwi na tayo. We're going home now.
Yeah.
It says Drywood Plateau Lift. Yung language nila. Warning. You had fun, Georgie? So Georgie got koala and yeah, another stuffed toy. So other stuffed toys to give away. Those kids without toys, no, Georgie?
I'll pick some toys today that I want to give away.
Oh, sige. So dadaan kami ng petrol para magpagasolina. Do you know, Georgie? Wait lang. We're in different country. Daddy, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wales.
I thought this was a country.
This was Wales.
No, England is different country.
It's in Great Britain, but you're in Wales, and now we're going back to England.
Yeah.
So like this is a different country.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
why the signs have different writing on them.
They got different
They have a
language.
different language.
Yeah. And so ayun na nga guys. So England is different country, Wales is different country. So tawid lang tayo, no. So just cross the bridge, you're in different country. Facts guys. My husband used to live here in Newport. Meron siyang bahay dito. So daddy knows where he's going. Uy, ikot-ikot. Alala. Umikot lang tayo. That's our vlog for today.
Good day out.
Yeah.
Everybody
They-
happy?
Day out in Newport. Thank you, Daddy, for
Thank you.
for taking us in Newport.